Good morning, everybody. Today is day 50. Big T on the AT 26. And I am off back here at the McAfee Knob parking lot where I got off yesterday. I'm out very early. I got here about 5:45. Trying to get up to McAfee Knob by daylight, sunrise. It's going to be an awesome sunrise. There may be someone up here doing some kind of sunrise service or something. It is Saturday before Easter. That may be why there were so many cars in the parking lot. I have no idea. But it shocked me when I saw how many cars were there at 5:45. McAfee Knob. I've been huffing. And I made it just in time. Unfortunately, I may not get the picture I want with the people here. But I did make it.
It's right. I'm pretty sure.
Sometimes people camp, but there's a campsite.
Rabbit. Hey, Rabbit. What are you doing? Peter Cottontail hopping down the bunny trail. Hibbity hobbity. Not very scared of me. Can you see McAfee? I'm at Tinker Cliffs. That's McAfee. I hiked up there from the parking lot. We've been coming all the way across these ridges. Down that ridge right there and up here. About, a little over 9 miles from the parking lot. It was over three up to McAfee. And one other thing just to show you, this is Tinker Cliffs. You don't want to fall off Tinker Cliffs. These are called Tinker Cliffs, I guess, so you don't need to be tinkering around up here. One little misstep and you're gone. Whew. Ain't nothing to stop you either. You're going a long way before you stop. Things are turning green down there. Finally. I'll be glad when it's green up here. Give me some shade. That's beautiful country right there. Wow. So beautiful. Run, lizard, run. Do you see that lizard? Making good time today. It's 11 o'clock and I'm almost at 13 miles. This will definitely be my biggest mile by lunch day this time so far. I don't know how I'll do better than this. Of course, after I filmed the first film this morning and told you what I was doing, I had my light on, was hiking, and then it started breaking daylight. And I looked down and I had 3 miles to go up to McAfee. So I pretty much just almost all but ran up to McAfee to get there by sunrise. And of course there were people everywhere, and they were sitting on the knob out there. Young guys just sitting there. I said, hey guys, I've hiked 715 miles to get this picture. Can you let me have a picture up here by myself, please? I made them move. And talked one guy into taking the picture for me. But there were people all over up there, as the parking lot was slammed full yesterday and today. And saw some through hikers. Some of those fast ones that are passing me were up there that I've seen the last couple of days. I think I'll probably see them tomorrow, and then tonight and tomorrow, and then they're gone. They gone. Yeah. The only one of the 5 that's closest to my start date started on the 17th. And I started from Springer on the 14th. The rest of them were like 2 weeks later than I started. And they're flying. Of course, they're what? I don't even want to guess. 40 years younger than me at least, but I don't know how old they are. Younger than my kids. Anyway, that doesn't matter. I'm out here enjoying myself, and they are too. They don't mind. They can fly, and I go fast for my age. I can say that. How about that? Some days. I'm having fun climbing right now, so I'm out of breath. Well, got to be my record. I'm 15.8 miles, and it's just afternoon. So it's probably 12:15 now. I don't think I've ever gone that far before lunch. I don't really know how I went that fast either, other than this morning I know I was flying, trying to get up there before daylight, before sunrise. My feet hurt, I can tell you that. They feel it. Been taking it easy the last hour. Here's what that lake looks like from the other side. All right, winding down this day, 20-mile day. This is the last little bit of trail. Come out on 220 here, and I gotta walk to the Spark motel, hotel, whatever it is. And I got a resupply box. It's 2 in a row that I've gotten. That beats everything. Don't have to try to figure out Dollar General. So I gotta go. I think I'm gonna get a shower and then go walk to the outdoor trails where the box was sent to. This highway's crazy though. Gotta cross over and go. That's the Mexican restaurant where Fresh Ground's supposed to be. Is not the sushi bar, but the next one. Pancho. There's the Kroger. And there's the outdoor trails. Right down from the Kroger. Which is pretty handy. I'm going to get my box. I'm check on some blister pads first in the Kroger pharmacy. Look what I have. A box full of goodies. It is full too. It's very heavy. It's got too much in it, but I guess I can give some of it away since I know there are plenty of hikers here. All right, here we go. Okay, that's Pancho's, and Fresh Ground just treated about 14 hikers to supper. It was very good. I got lucky, got free food. Very good. Bunch of hikers in there too, so we kind of got all caught up here. Well, it was a blessing to be able to finally get the photo I wanted from McAfee Knob. That was one of my biggest goals. Well, it's not the biggest, but one of my main goals from this hike was when I got there to be sure I got a decent photo. So I had to beg some guys to move, but it worked out for the good. So the day 50 was a really good day, 20 miles and back to the Spark Hotel and get to rest again, and then do it all over again tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow will be day 51.